What's up peeps, this is Todd and welcome back to my show. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about why everybody watching should house hack. If that sounds good, let's hop into the video. Now, if you are watching my channel, you probably already know that house hacking is when you buy a house for you to live in and you rent out the extra bedrooms to offset your mortgage. Or you buy a small multifamily up to 4 units, you live in one unit and you rent out the other ones to again offset your mortgage payments. In my experience, I have 6 houses that I have hacked. 5 of them are single family homes that I rented out by the bedroom, and one of them is a duplex where I live in one half and I rented out the other half. But even in that duplex, for the first year or so, I did rent out the bedrooms in my half. So why should you house hack? Well, when it comes to where you live, you have one of 3 options. The first one is renting, where you're going to be paying off somebody else's mortgage. The second option is you own a house that you live in, but you do not rent it out, so you're paying off your own mortgage. And the third option is you have other people paying off your mortgage. So unless you're going to live at home with your parents forever, or you're going to be homeless and live under a bridge, those are the 3 options. You're going to pay off somebody else's mortgage, you're going to pay off your own mortgage, or other people will pay off your mortgage. Now, financially speaking, the smartest thing is for other people to pay off your mortgage. So let's say you buy a house that's a 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom house, you live in the master bedroom, and you rent out all 5 other bedrooms so that it completely offsets your mortgage payment, plus pays you $500 to $1,000 per month in cash flow. You are now being paid to live in a house that you own. Now, I understand it's not sustainable for you as the owner to live in that house forever. Eventually, you're going to want to get married, you might want to have kids, and when you're a family unit, you probably don't want to have a bunch of roommates. But even if you are married, or even if you do have children now, you can still certainly buy a small multifamily like a duplex, triplex, or a fourplex, live in one unit, and rent out the remaining units, so hopefully you're living for free. Now remember, I'm not just sitting here telling you guys what to do without actually practicing what I preach. My wife and I have been living completely for free for the last 4.5 years. By living for free, we were able to save about 80 to 90% of our income. And just from house hacking alone, we have made about $3 million. So I encourage everybody out there who's watching, everybody who's listening, maybe share this with a friend who hasn't seen my videos before. Literally all of you guys would benefit if you start house hacking. Remember, you have to live somewhere. So because you have to live somewhere, it would behoove you to live in a house that you own and also have other people pay down that mortgage and build the equity for you in your house. I hope this video is helpful to you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.